Give them a workshop on field study and Zanzibar culture, and then they have one day where they just make art. So this is their art day.
Where do they study?
They study at different universities in America, and then they get together with this.
Start all this.
Well,
it's not quite that normal.
It's not that normal. Yeah. Well, I don't know. You know, we met 13 years ago, and he. Oh, that is cool.
We just wanted to see how long we needed to make it so that.
Oh, for the window.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Stoffpuppen.
Come here, come.
Oh,
Drück drauf, die
Yeah, yeah. Oh, this is so fantastic. The best with. It's easy to go from New York to Boston.
Yeah, and to come from
the East Coast to.
very strict little.
Bonga?
What did he say?
Oh, is that an African word?
Oh, Bora, it's
Yeah, all from the community. The boy that was sitting behind, he's really good. He's a very good comedy. Yeah, he's a comedian.
They profit a lot from this activity.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
He also gives puppet.
I didn't know that.
I didn't know that in Germany also they do have them, but I knew it's all over the world.
Yeah.
I had no idea. Huh.
Very
Well, that's
helpful
really great.
institution.
That's cool. Okay.
Yeah,
That's amazing, yeah.
Many things.
Yeah.
That
So in
connect us.
common, well, in Germany especially, there's so many connections between Germany and Zanzibar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Very nice.
This was another reason we said we'll come here, because actually friends, and then also this old fascination. There is a saying in Germany, when someone has an argument,
Yeah.
Sorry. So much fun.
So it should be back.
Oh, it must have been my comment. And individual people, you know, they drink their wine and then bring their bottles to us.
And you make something like this of
Environment.
and this is the
These rugs, and she makes different things, and she helps me to teach with the environmental groups, and so we kind of try to work together.
also puppets here.
Oh yes, these are now these Zawadi, and these are pop-up puppets. And then junk, and this is the plastic bottle. We cover it with fabric.
Great.
The boys helped me, and they were able to get through 20.
Sometimes a bit frightening.
Yeah, exactly. You think, oh my God.
And this woman, and the eye, it's incredibly good.
Yeah, she's kind of it's so funny because she's kind of my Mother Earth. And then all of a sudden you see these bananas kind of growing over, so she's very...
Yeah. How long did it take?
That took about 3 months.
Yeah, I think so. It's been an interesting place too.
It is. It is.
How long do you stay here?
I'm here till the 6th of May.
Oh yeah.
So go ahead. Made it our home, clearly.
Oh great. This must be a wonderful experience.
It's great.
Congratulations on
He's eating right
Cook.
now.
Cook.
This man, Thomas, he's a professional puppeteer in Germany. Yeah, he has his own phenomenal. Hey, Mr. Said, how are you? I'm doing
To learn a lot.
to teach you something else, or you're going to teach me today.
I'm extract from you.
Hey, Chotara.
Very well.
That's our cat. Chotara. Yo, come here. Come here.
It's good in here.
Yeah, it is.
Learning is fun.
Everybody's relaxed, yeah. Oh, this is so amazing.
For instance, yeah, not so famous, but they're really